Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that's a must-have for any serious automotive enthusiast or DIY mechanic, the RamPro Crowfoot Wrench Set. This Crowfoot wrench set is hands down one of the best tools you can add to your arsenal. If you're working in tight spaces or tackling automotive repairs, it's designed to reach where traditional sockets can't, making it incredibly versatile and practical. Let's talk about what makes this set stand out. It includes 10 Crowfoot wrenches ranging from 10mm to 24mm, all crafted from durable alloy steel and finished with a high-quality chrome coating. This not only enhances durability but also ensures corrosion resistance, perfect for long-term use in various conditions. The Crowfoot design allows you to access nuts and bolts in tight spots, like inside engine compartments or under sinks, where a regular socket wrench might struggle. Made in India, these wrenches are drop-forged and heat-treated to withstand up to 150 feet lbs of torque. They're robust yet slim enough to fit into narrow spaces without compromising on strength. Each wrench is meticulously designed with a round head to prevent stripping and ensure a secure fit. The sizes are clearly etched onto the wrenches for easy identification, which is a thoughtful detail when you're in the middle of a project. Imagine trying to reach a bolt deep within an engine compartment or working underneath a car where space is at a premium. These wrenches come into their own in these situations, allowing you to perform tasks efficiently without frustration. From personal experience, using these wrenches has been a game changer. Whether it's for routine maintenance on my vehicle or handling household repairs, the RamPro set has consistently delivered in terms of performance and reliability. To wrap it up, if you're serious about your automotive repairs or DIY projects, investing in the RamPro Crowfoot Wrench Set is a no-brainer. It combines durability, accessibility, and ease of use, all essential qualities in any toolkit. I've left a link in the description below if you want to check out this wrench set for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've used Crowfoot wrenches before and how they've helped you in your projects. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy wrenching!